In the previous videos, we already learned about variables, how to define them and change their values. However, sometimes we may need to set a value and never change it. That's where we can use constants, which allows us to set their values once. The declaration of a constants are very similar to the variable declaration, but instead of using var keyword, we are using const. Similar to variable declaration, we can group several constants and omit their type. If we try to change a constant, the code will not compile. That's a form of safety. Once a constant defined, its value cannot be changed by accident. When we have a group of constants, we can omit the value of all the constant but first. In that case, the following constant will get the values of the previous. Let me demonstrate that. That doesn't look very useful by itself, but it is useful in combination with a constant generator iota. For example, we may want to define a constant for each month of a year, where January is the first month, February is second, and so on. Here is how we can do that using iota. Iota starts its value from 0 and increasing by 1. In this case we add 1 to it, so the monthly start from a 1 instead of a 0. So next time, when you know some of your variables won't change their values, use constants. Because the value of a constant is known during compilation time, that helps the Go compiler to use extra optimizations. And in general, that makes the codebase more robust.